Verdantas, we're focused on solving society's defining problems. Having the YellowScan drone with green LiDAR technology allows us to do bathymetry, allows us to see around corners, so to speak, and this is something that's very advanced in our space that very few competitors have.
If you have a site that has both water and land, we can now, using one piece of equipment and one flight, we can capture a larger area in a more complex area. Whereas before we would have to launch, say, a boat and a drone. We'd have to be stitching together data. Now at the same time, the data we're collecting is giving us so much more information than any traditional survey or anything that we'll ever need or use, but we have that information. And from there, we can use it to produce really quality designs. And if the client comes back and says, hey, can you also do that for us? Well, likely we already have it, and we can produce it very quickly and give them, a really quality product.
The reason it's really special is because it allows you to collect data in places where traditionally you'd have to either wade out, which depending on the conditions of the field can be a little dangerous or just very physically demanding. It allows us to now fly that with a drone. So it not only does it speed up the data collection underwater, but it is quite a bit safer too.
We expect to pivot more towards predictive analytics as we build data sets that can be reused over and over again. This dovetails very tightly with what we're doing on the AI and Copilot front, because it allows us to use these more robust data sets for better outcomes, both for our staff and for our clients.